If you're anything like me, you're always hunting for ways to get your kids off screens and building vocabulary instead of just yawning through homework. That's why I love Storyteller's card game from Mrs. Wordsmith. This game comes with 300 hilariously illustrated word cards and 200 story prompts to give kids aged about 7 to 11 a huge boost to their vocabulary, imagination and storytelling. Here's one way to play. Someone is the master storyteller and reads a story prompt out loud. The other players pick one card from their hand that best fits. Maybe it's funny, maybe dramatic. The master picks the word they like best. The winner gets the prompt card. First to collect 5 story prompt cards wins. But, and this is the good bit, I know parents and teachers often remix the rules. Use the word cards as flashcards or challenge siblings to build the silliest story together or turn the prompts into bedtime stories. It's flexible. What I love is that this is something we can play together, waiting in the car, before bed, at grandma's house. It's not just learning, it's laughter, creativity, and those moments when your kid surprises you with, "Look, Mum, I said scintillating instead of just pretty." If you want your child to talk in shades, not just flat colours, this is a game that gives them words to paint with. It's fun, family friendly, and makes vocabulary something to show off. Although fair warning, bedtime stories now come with cliffhangers, plot twists, and more adjectives than you ever asked for.